Welcome to the first part of a series of Lua programming tutorial videos. Throughout this tutorial we will use QuickRT, a simple and intuitive Lua REPL for Windows. Download QuickRT before starting this tutorial. Lua is a programming language known to be simple and easy to learn. To get started, let's do some simple math. Enter the following commands in QuickRT and see the results. Lua allows you to calculate numbers using the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operators. Lua calculations are carried out using arithmetic operators as we have just seen. But what about storing results in memory for later use? It's easy, simply declare variables. Variables are like named containers that contains a value. Now let's see how it works. Here we create a new variable called a, with an initial value of 5 plus 5. By typing the variable name, QuickRT prints its content. At any time we can use the content of a variable in new operations. Assigning a new value to a variable makes the previous one disappear. Lua has different simple types other than numbers that can be stored in variables. In Lua, a piece of text is called a string. You can perform all kinds of operations on a string. A Lua string must be surrounded by quotes to be recognized as such. Here is a string value containing the text, hello. In Lua, you cannot use arithmetic operations on strings. To merge two strings, use the concatenation operator with two dots. Variables can store string values. Strings in Lua can be surrounded by single quote too. Apart from numbers and strings, Lua can also handle a variety of other data types. By using Boolean operators, you can create conditional programs to take different actions depending on conditions. The equality operator checks of equality between two values. Boolean operators checks for values, and evaluates to true if the conditions is met, or false otherwise. Lua can use several Boolean operators as you can see. The nil value is a special on in Lua as it represents emptiness. An unknown variable has its value set to nil. You can check if a variable is set to nil. You cannot use arithmetic operators on a nil value. We have reached the end of this first tutorial. It's time to recap what you've learned. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to follow or subscribe to stay tuned.